Yeah, Nimita ma'am, you can start now.
Oh, namaskar, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
My presentation is today ethnomedicinal plants used by the tribes of some parts of East and West Simbhum districts of Jharkhand. This is
Why
about the,
and what was the motivation behind to pick this particular title?
sir. Actually, Jharkhand is an area of forests. So here people are totally dependent on plants for everything. So actually, I'm also just mixing with these people since long, and their traditional knowledge about healing, and more or less, sir, everybody is intended to the plant's life for everything, all the necessities. So that only just triggered me to have a good and this knowledge about a complete knowledge about their working and what their how can we just document their this knowledge which is passing by the parents to the sons or parents after generations. That only motivated me, sir.
Okay, move ahead.
Sir, can you speak a bit loudly? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I am saying please move ahead. Next slide. Next.
Yeah. Slide show. Yeah, so chapters included here. This is chapter 1, introduction, review of literature, materials and methodology, area and people, results and discussion, conclusion, references. So next slide.
Yes.
So this is chapter 1. Motivation behind conducting research on study ethnomedicinal plants used by the tribes of this part. So, what is ethnomedicine? Here I have discussed. This is indigenous, culturally rooted healing traditions, combines herbal remedies with ritual, spirituality, and community knowledge. Often complements or substitutes modern healthcare in tribal societies. Actually, so they are totally what I have observed in my studies that they are very much dependent on the plant's life for all the needs. Suppose if a child regarding during a childbirth also they use the this leaves of some plants to welcome that. This is also mixed in their rituals also. So that is there. So I thought of just mixing it up with the modern knowledge. If like I could not do much, still I wanted. Significance of studying ethnomedicine. Over 80% of global population relies on traditional medicine. Offers cost-effective, sustainable health solutions, critical for biodiversity and cultural conservation. Indigenous tribal people, tribes like Santhal, Munda, Ho, Rao, and Sabal live in close harmony with nature. Their health systems rely on plant-based treatments. Oral tradition is key to preserving knowledge. Now, there are some traditional healers, sir. So I met with many of these healers and just tried to collect the informations from them. So, what is the role of these traditional healers are? They possess deep knowledge passed through apprenticeship. Means here I wanted to mean like this knowledge is passed through generations after generations, and they do not want to share, so it's very difficult. Treatment includes prayers, chants, use of herbs. They call it that we are just telling some mantras. So wherever they just disclose something, they do not disclose the full thing. They just say that yes, there we add some mantras and then we just use it. India and ethnomedicine. India has rich indigenous medical systems, Ayurveda, Siddha, tribal medicines, and everything we know, all of us. These systems often intersect with cultural rituals and environmental beliefs. And my study area was the parts of East and West Singhbums. I have mentioned the study areas are different villages, whatever I've visited. I've mentioned that in detail. In some in East Singhbum and some in West Singhbum. So West Singhbum is a bit because it's so much forested area. Even for East Singhbum also, it's very difficult to get inside. Still, I have done it. I have tried. Studies limited to 2 districts which may not reflect the full ethnomedicinal diversity of Jharkhand. Yes, sir. Because Jharkhand is full of forests and only two districts, East and West Simbhum, and that too some places. Even I have not covered the full East and West Simbhum also. Knowledge sharing was restricted. As I told you, sir, earlier also, it's very difficult to get the knowledges from them. I had to spend many days, many hours with them. I had to mix up with their houses, their mothers, their wives, and all, and then only I could collect some informations. Seasonal variation in plant availability could not be captured comprehensively despite multi-season visits. This was lacking in my part, sir. I could not do it that way. Lack of phytochemical analysis. This is also, sir, I could not do much about this. The study focused on documentation, not lab testing or clinical trials. I don't have these facilities, sir. Data is qualitative in nature and may require further quantitative and pharmacological validations. Accessibility to remote tribal areas was challenging due to geographic and infrastructural limitations. Sir, I was alone
Why
and
is it limited to the qualitative research instead of you can go for the quantitative as well?
sir, that's what I told you, na, sir. Data is qualitative in nature and
Why? I'm asking why. Why?
so because
What are
I
the
just I have
limitations?
collected.
What is
sir,
the actual limitation to collect your quantitative? You do some experimental work. What are the limitation with you?
So limitations means I didn't have proper labs to do this. The experimental work I could not do, and I don't have that lab facilities. And then sir, this I'm alone. I could not do this. I could not spend that much of time after this, sir.
You have to work your PhD alone. First thing you have to.
No, sir. Actually, yes. Work of PhD is alone, but sir, I could not provide much time after this.
No. Then why you are doing research?
No, sir. That's what I
You can
told.
say you are going to be justify your research or your journey as an environmentalist. How you can justify yourself without experimentation, without proper quantitative knowledge? How can you justify the topic of your work?
Sir, this is true, but quantitative work I could not do much. And
Very
so,
simple.
what should be my answer here?
Very simple answer.
Yes.
Basically, I had gone through the basic impact of these medicine in general coordination as
Yes.
per the part of the pharmacological research. So that is not my background, and for
Okay.
that I maybe depend if I go in depth with that direction. That will definitely another future aspect of my work that I could do with these particular help of some of the pharmaceutical guys that I will plan in future for my postdoc and other activities.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay.
as per the limitation of present work study and area, what I am going presented is the nature
Okay.
of qualitative, where I analyze analysis based on the feedback from the particular stakeholders.
Yes.
Okay, basically this particular point, data qualitative nature, you are making yourself in the first situation with your examiner. So either you skip this point in a
Okay.
group, or if the question raised, then I suggest you what to respond. Now next.
So, should I omit this point?
Yeah, you can omit this point.
Okay, sir.
आप
Okay, sir.
अपने वर्क को वीक कर रहे हो ना.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
Basically you
सर
are
एक्चुअली लिमिटेशन बोल के मैं इसको लिखी थी सर.
एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट या एनवायरमेंट साइंस के अंदर ले रहे हैं, और स्कोप ऑफ पेपर या स्कोप ऑफ रिसर्च के अंदर आपने इसको क्वालिटेटिव रखा है. ये आपकी लिमिटेशन नहीं है, ये लिमिटेशन बाय डिफॉल्ट हो गई है. ओके, आप इस चीज को समझिए. एक चीज होती है कि मैंने करना ही नहीं है काम, मैंने बाय डिफॉल्ट सेट कर लिया, नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग बियॉन्ड दिस.
ओके.
But that is not your limitation, na? But you are putting it as a limitation. That is wrong.
Okay, okay.
Okay, move ahead. Next slide.
Uh. So, problem statement. Indigenous knowledge about ethnomedicinal plants in Jharkhand is underdocumented and rapidly vanishing. There is a lack of systematic research combining tribal cultural practices with botanical science. Many medical plant species used by tribes are at risk of extinction due to overharvesting, habitat loss, and neglect. Modern healthcare systems often overlook or marginalize tribal healing practices, leading to loss of credibility and transmission. There is an urgent need to identify, preserve, and scientifically assess traditional medicinal practices for sustainable development and cultural preservation.
Okay.
Significance of the study preserves tribal knowledge systems that are rapidly disappearing due to modernization and migration, enhances understanding of culturally embedded healthcare practices in tribal Jharkhand, promotes sustainable use of natural resources by demonstrating the value of biodiversity, serves as a foundation for drug discovery and pharmacological validation from natural sources. Supports conservation biology, especially in biodiversity hotspots like Saranda Forest. Sir, West Simbhum is full of Saranda Forest only. Encourages policymakers and healthcare institutions to consider inclusive indigenous health models. Foresters cross-cultural education and appreciation of India's ethnobotanical heritage. Scope of the study focuses on east and west Simbhum districts of Jharkhand, regions rich in biodiversity and tribal culture, aims to document the indigenous knowledge of over 200 medicinal plants used by tribal communities. Includes the study of tribal customs, rituals, and health practices associated with plant use. Encompasses plant identification, classification, preparation methods, and medicinal applications. Highlights the seasonal and ecological variation in plant use across tribal regions. Investigates rare, endemic, and endangered species, promoting conservation efforts. Offers potential for future pharmacological research and integration with modern medicine. So, this is a point that I will just omit that point from the
That
limitation.
point I told you that you have to say as a future work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, sir, review of literature. So, should I read all this review of literature?
No. You have to actually, when you come on this slide about the review literature, like it is in the field of your work, there are the lots of people are doing work at a different area in the different time frame and different.
Yes.
I had listed out some of the work which are in the line of my work and help me for
To gather information.
the information. Some of the other I use as a secondary source of information for my work.
Yes.
While rest I use for the methodological update and then making a more or better understanding about the subject. I use these literature. In the course of that, I first give the example of the paper published in 2017 by Upasani, Mr. Upasani and Atal, his friend, and they are work on the compiled plant-based treatment for the snake bites across the India. Basically, he had work on the snake bite, and as you can know, the snake bite is a bigger problem in the rural part of the country, and we
Yes.
part of the country, and his work was based on that and the particular medicinal plant which those tribes and the rural people are used is investigated by the Upasani. And the same way when we had gone to the another paper of the Austin Dofer, the 2016 published, that is the Mekukavik and the Canada. Okay, exploring the ecological and cultural plant ties, basically plant trees. Basically, he want to connect between the tribes and the plant, the relation between the plants and tribe, and how it is important for the ecology and the environment. That is the portrait by him.
Okay.
Another work of the Malek and the Rai Chaudhary and the Bhatt also did the same way, where they identified the different species plant, like 90 various species plant that we can harvest from tribal area or say Indian forest. They had work on that and identified their connection in a different part of the country. But but the work was limited, not considered the Jharkhand part particularly. That's the gap I identified.
Yes,
Now
yes.
the other work of the Sismita All and the Patel and also did to some work. They had actually was the global trend in terms of the tribal and ecological thing they had portrayed. Just the way I had explained here. You do not
Okay.
require to read. You just take a general idea and make your own word and explain what exactly the people are doing, and just jump on the next slide.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So this
Objectives.
is of my literature survey, and I had come through, and as per my initial knowledge base, these are the objectives which I narrated through all the literature survey, and as per my methodologies.
Okay, sir. Okay.
अब आपको
Objectives.
अपने objectives read out करने हैं.
Yes, sir. To explore the relationships between plants and traditional people, intensive surveys and field studies will be undertaken at the proposed sites. To collect ethnomedicinal plants of Singhbhum districts, identification and documentation will be conducted. To identify specific health problems among the tribes and rural people of Singhbhum districts. To identify the rare, endangered, and endemic medicinal plants with the objective of conserving them. To obtain information from traditional herbal practitioners in the villages and form the tribal inhabitants. The climate and geographical location of the area will be studied during the course of the study. Tribal cultures and their cultural traits will also be studied. So now materials and methodology. General approach conducted between 2021 and 2023 across different seasons. Focused on capturing seasonal plant use variations. Study area description. Jharkhand is known as land of forests, rich in flora, tribal populations, and medicinal plant diversity. Sir, here I have a question. I have not mentioned anything about the fauna, but there was a review from the university, some expert. She just asked about the fauna. She just asked mention about the fauna, but I have not worked much about the fauna. Of course, I know what are they. What are the animals that are found, but I have not done it. Sir,
You can say I didn't went through the much depth into the fauna part, but while I had covered as per the plantation and that part that I cover in my work.
yes, yes. Okay, sir. Collection of ethnobotanical information, guided fieldworks, and interviews with over 100 informants. Data collected using structured and semi-structured questionnaires. Field visits. In the initial visit in October 2021 for familiarization and sampling. Follow-ups continued through 2022-23 in different tribal zones. This is the location map of the study area. I've just shown the Jharkhand and East and West Singhbhum districts. Primary data collection. Participatory rural appraisal techniques used. Healers were interviewed in their language and information was translated into English. Sometimes I have asked in Bengali, sometimes I have taken my some of my friends to just to have the conversation with them in their own languages. Like this, sir, I have done it. Specimen preparation, pressing and drying. Use newspapers, blotters, field presses. Poisoning, use solutions of alcohol, formaldehyde, acetic acid, and mercury chloride. Data recording included plant parts used, locality, and photos. Secondary data sources. Libraries and institutions.
Have you prepared with specimens?
So specimens I had, but right now I can't show. I mean, I'm not taking because there are so many. So
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
yes.
Okay, go ahead. No issue.
Secondary data sources. Libraries and institutions consulted NAST, IUCN, DPR, Tribhuvan University. Use existing flora and medicinal plant
Why
databases.
Tribhuvan University?
So Tribhuvan University, I just One of the professors was known to me, and there were some other universities also. So I have not mentioned their names. And here also local university
Mention the
also.
university name, remove this name as well.
Okay, okay. So
At
Tribhuvan University,
at your university, just you can write there.
my universities I can write, na sir?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Used existing flora and medicinal plant databases for verification. So should I remove this field process and about the specimens, because it's not possible for me to carry out all the specimen from Jamshedpur to Bhopal.
Oh, you can say those things are with me and in my laboratories. No issue.
हाँ ठीक है sir. Okay. Area and people. Jharkhand, meaning land of forests, is a culturally and ecologically rich state in eastern India. Features dense forests, tribal heritage, and varied geography, including plateaus and hills. A melting pot of indigenous traditions and spiritual practices intervened with biodiversity. Description of the study area: tribal richness hosts around 8.3% of India's tribal population, 26.3% of Jharkhand's population in tribal census 2011 के अनुसार. Tribal communities includes 30 recognized tribes with 8 classified as primitive tribal groups such as Birhor, Sabar, Asur and Paharia. Geographic spread. Study focused on East Simbhum, more urbanized, industrial, and West Simbhum forested traditional. There are forests in East Simbhum districts also. There are hills, Dharma Hills ranges are there, but West Simbhum is more forested. West Simbhum heavily forested mountainous terrain with rich medicinal flora. Tribal populations rely on forest produce for daily sustenance and medicine, ecologically important for conservation and traditional plant use. East Simbhum, known for industrial zones and mining, still preserves traditional plant use. Over 53% of the land is hilly. Medicinal plants such as neem, aloe vera, and amla are widely used. Geography. Located in the Chotanagpur Plateau, red laterite soil dominates, acidic and deficient in zinc, boron, molybdenum. Terrain includes uplands, lowlands, and undulating plains. Climate. Tropical monsoon climate. High humidity and distinct seasonal variations influence plant availability and use. Forest and soil types. Forests, tropical dry and most moist deciduous. Soil 90% red laterite, nutrient poor, but suppose rich vegetation. Rivers and hills. Hills and rivers serve spiritual and ecological roles in tribal lives. Plant-rich hill zones are used for rituals, medicines, and livelihood. This is all about the tribal populations and locations. Then flora and fauna, home to valuable medicinal trees, sal, mahua, palash, many, Ashoka, and neems. There are so many. Shrubs, herbs, and climbers. Many plants have dual use, medicinal and spiritual. Ethnographic account of major tribes. Santhal, sacred groves, Kama festival, rice offerings. Munda, worship nature, festivals like Sarhul, spiritual forest dwellers. Oraon, treat forest as mother, herbalism, central to culture. Ho, extensive herbal knowledge, oral transmission. Sabar, nomadic tribe with deep herbal plant lore. Results and discussion. Plant validation report. Indigenous cultural traditions of Jharkhand and adjoining tribal regions place significant emphasis on the symbolic and medicinal roles of plants. Ritualistic festivals such as Sarhul, Karma, Baha, and Maghe employ plant species not only for spiritual and symbolic expression, but also as part of community health practices. In parallel, traditional medicine has preserved ethnobotanical knowledge, documenting over 200 medicinal species spanning 45 botanical families. This report validates the cultural and therapeutic uses of selected plants by aligning them with ethnomedicinal relevance and existing literature. So these are the plants, and these are used in the different festivals like Sarul. Mainly the plant species used in Sarul is Sal. And the botanical name and the symbolism, what is the ritual use, I have mentioned all this. Karma, Baha, Maghe. These are important, this thing. Categories of medicinal uses. Ethnobotanical surveys confirm that over 200 plant species form 45 botanical families are used for health management. Their applications extend across the wide spectrum of ailments, gynecological disorders, digestive health, skin conditions, respiratory ailments, fever and malaria, dental pain and bone fractures. These are very common problems, and they're being treated by using the indigenous plants. Validation statement. The indigenous knowledge system highlights a deep ecological relationship where plants serve dual roles in ritual symbolism and healthcare practices. Many of the plants, example Shoria robusta, this is sal, Magnifera indica, Maduka indica, mahua, have been scientifically validated for bioactive compounds such as tannins, flavonoids, alkaloids, and glycosides, which justify their medicinal efficacy. This underscores the credibility of tribal ethnobotany as both a cultural repository and a potential source for pharmacological research. There are many plans, and there are so many scopes of doing this pharmacological research, sir, in future. This is also the tables A, B, C. I have done it and mentioned everything, their uses and names. Plants used in the treatment of various diseases. Just I have mentioned five groups of diseases. So some examples I have given here. Then some methods of preparations and use. Preparation forms juices, pastes, powders, decoctions, raw parts. Rhizomes mixed with honey, mucilage from leaves, administration routes, generally oral, topical, inhalation, or mixed with other plants. Common plant tasks: leaves, roots, stems, bark, flowers, and fruits. Rare and endangered plants are these. Some of the plants only I have mentioned here, but there are almost 25 plants that are endangered. I could collect the informations. These are the botanical names and the common names and conservation status. Some are near threatened, some are vulnerable, some are endangered, and some are again about to extinct. Causes of decline: deforestation and habitat destruction. Yes, forests are getting destroyed. Mining activities in forest zones. Over harvesting for medicinal and ritual uses. Agricultural expansion and urbanization. Conservation recommendations: in situ conservation, ex situ conservation, cultivation and propagation, awareness programs. This is most important, sir, awareness program, what I felt. Now I shall conclude. Jharkhand features rich biodiversity including forests, plateaus and hills, especially in Isimbhum. Located in the Chotanagpur Plateau, the region shares ecological traits with neighboring states. The area is abundant in traditional medicinal plants like neem, aloe vera, and amla. Traditional medicine plays a vital role in rural healthcare, rooted in ancient tribal knowledge. The study showcases the effectiveness of herbal remedies for common health issues in Jharkhand. Ethnomedicinal practices are integral to tribal identity, culture, and survival. Research aimed to integrate this wisdom into modern healthcare frameworks. Fieldwork 2021-23 involved interviews with traditional healers and community elders. Data collection methods included observation, semi-structured interviews, and questions. 200 medicinal plant species from 45 families were recorded. These plants treat ailments like digestive disorders, skin problems, reproductive issues, and more, as I have mentioned earlier. Preparation techniques included juice extraction, decoctions, powders, pastes, and use of fresh parts. Several rare and endangered species were identified, such as Gloriosa superba and
What exactly the novel thing you bring through your work?
Sir, mainly I have done the total documentation of these plants, and they are being used, the knowledge associated with them, and the way they are being used in their rituals as well as for the medicinal parts. This is the total documentation. I have gone through
Or
many.
there was not such type of documentation available.
No, sir, this total complete documentation is not available. There are many researchers, this is a virgin area, of course. There are many researchers, they have worked, But sir, for a particular disease, suppose for anemia someone has worked, for skin diseases someone has worked, so for snake bites someone have worked, like this sir. But the total in this complete, as much as I could, of course there are many more also left, but whatever I have done sir.
What are the aspect as per the environmentalist you are taking care during your survey and all? What are the the outcome of your work as an
Yes, sir.
environmental?
So there are a lot of scopes. We can find out many more medicines, and we can just find out when we can just mix it up with the modern researchers, and we can use these plants, and this can be much more effective also. Like we can get the medicines from the plants itself if I do more researches, and then many plants species I could not identify also, so that is also there, but they are also present there, and lots and lots of scopes are there, sir. As much as I can, I could do, and many are left that can be done.
What particular area that you want to be considered for your future development or future research in the particular area of Jharkhand or other tribal part of the country? First and second, what particular thing other than medicinal aspect, other environment related aspect you want to consider in your future journey?
Sir, environmental aspect in the sense, if we can preserve this knowledge first of all, which is diminishing year by year, and this knowledge is very rich. And what I felt after this study, that if we can conserve this knowledge, actually, so this will be a great thing for us. So treasure.
Just
So that
one
is,
thing that you have to be speak here. Whatsoever thing is available in nature
yeah.
or the creation of God,
Hmm.
even though we are consider them negligible.
Hmm.
Maybe it is an ant,
Hmm.
maybe it is a red bug, maybe it is a very small tiny plants that's just room over some stones or some, what I can say, sometime very rare they are available, or they are just, we can say, jungly plants and all. But
Hmm.
whatsoever the things that God had created or available in the environment,
Hmm.
definitely it is a part of your life cycle,
Hmm.
or it may be a basic part of any life cycle.
Hmm.
For example, if you are considering that if all the ant from the earth or
Hmm.
a particular area
Hmm.
are not available or are distinct or get come under the endangers or maybe say removed from that particular part, what will the effect of that? It will definitely destroy a complete life cycle of many other things.
Hmm. Hmm.
Ants are responsible for lots of vegetation and seed movement. Ants are responsible or as a feed of many species, many other animals, we can say. And the whole the cycle, if we remove ant from them, in the course of time, the lots of other things will be stop happening.
Hmm.
As a result of that, we can say in altogether environmental get damaged.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay, so I studied approx 200 species of various plants, and out of them approx 25 and 27 are under endangered condition, and few of them is still distinct from the actual practice.
Hmm.
And that present study I not give the full scale of that, what are the environmental impact of it, but definitely it will comes in the near future if a particular plant or particular species of plant is not available with us. There may
Hmm.
be some circumstances that we will definitely face in our future,
Hmm. Hmm.
because somehow if we are removing one particular element which God created and we remove it from our regular practice,
Hmm.
what may be the reason? Maybe it is natural
Hmm.
as the world, as the God is looking for, or maybe it is by human. And but if it particularly by human, then it is again a very alarming situation for us. So more than 25 species are not available. You can consider that how much type of thing. For example, मैं आपको अपना आज मॉर्निंग का एग्जांपल बताता हूँ that I observed. मेरे घर में कुछ प्लांट्स लगे हुए हैं. आज मैंने उन पे देखा कुछ इल्लियां थी. ठीक है, तो वो मैंने एक अपने जो पॉट था उसमें गुड़हल की 2 वैरायटी लगा के रखी हुई थी. एक ही पॉट में 2 गुड़हल के ट्री थे. एक था हाइब्रिड और एक था नेचुरल. व्हाट आई फाउंड, जो हाइब्रिड वाला गुड़हल प्लांट था उसको इल्ली बहुत तेजी से खा रही थी, और जो नेचुरल वाला प्लांट था उसको नहीं खा रही थी. उसके पत्ते बिल्कुल साबुत थे, और आजू बाजू में दूसरे प्लांट्स थे उनके ऊपर भी वो नहीं गई. तो मुझे समझ में आया कि आइदर दिस प्लांट, अगर मैं इस प्लांट को यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ, या ये प्लांट जो भी है हाइब्रिड में बोल रहा हूँ या डिफरेंट टाइप का प्लांट था, ये इल्लियां जो इसी के पत्ते खा रही हैं, बाकी मेरे सारे प्लांट्स आसपास में बिल्कुल सेफ हैं, बिकॉज आई डिडंट यूज एनी पेस्टिसाइड ऑन दैट. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वो पर्टिकुलर इल्ली जिसने अपना डेवलपमेंट किया, दैट डिपेंड अपॉन दोज लीव्स, उसकी लाइफ उस पर डिपेंड करती है. अब आपको मालूम ही है कि जैसे सहतूत आप जानते होंगे, वन ऑफ
मलबेरी.
या मलबेरी. तो सहतूत प्लांट इज वेरी गुड फॉर, वो हमारे रेशम का जो कीड़ा होता है उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट माना जाता है, दैट सिल्क वॉर्म. तो इफ you remove all these सहतूत प्लांट किसी तरीके से डिस्टिंक्ट हो जाते हैं, खत्म हो जाते हैं, तो क्या आप उस क्वालिटी का रेशम आपके लिए अवेलेबल रहेगा? नहीं रहेगा ना. मैं मीटिंग में तो अभी आपको इस चीज के लिए इसे समझना जरूरी है. सर मैं कॉल बैक कर रहा हूँ, वाइवा ले रहा हूँ सर, वाइवा ले रहा हूँ, कॉल बैक कर रहा हूँ. नहीं समझा रहा था सर. ओके, तो आपको मैं जो कहना चाह रहा था, मेरा बेसिक पॉइंट यहाँ पे था कि हम एज एन एनवायरमेंटल साइंटिस्ट अगर आप बात कर रहे हो, तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपको एक एस्पेक्ट बताना पड़ेगा कि व्हाई योर स्टडीज इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yes,
it is
sir.
not just limited to the medicinal aspect, traditions and all those things. It is basically it is an alarming situation that you want to escalate up to the authorities, that definitely comes to the society in future, कि हमारे को हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए ऐसे नॉर्म्स बनाने हैं. क्योंकि आपका लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ थीसिस जो आपके टीचर ने ऐड करवाया है वो क्या है कि आप अपने वर्क के अंदर ऐड कीजिए. हेलो, हाँ योगेंद्र जी बोलिए. हाँ मैं ऑफिस में. अच्छा, तो आपके एग्जामिनर ने आपसे बोला था कि आपकी झारखंड गवर्नमेंट क्या उसमें
पॉलिसीज ले रहे हैं,
क्या उसमें पॉलिसीज हैं. तो एनी पॉलिसीज विल बी डेफिनेटली ड्रिवन बाय दीज टाइप ऑफ रिसर्च ओनली.
yes.
So what present they are doing, you want to bring more thing in their knowledge by your publication, by your future work. You want to affect all the policy making in coming future. That will be definitely comes and take one of the researchation or one of the reference of your work to safeguard all these species and make their expansion of these species, and also make awareness among the society and other peoples. So, ये हमारे रिसर्च के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं एक्चुअली. तो हमें उनको उस तरीके से लेके आना पड़ेगा. आपका जो ब्रांच है, आपको जो भी चीज बोलनी है वो एज ए एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियर या एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट बोलनी है. You are not just focusing on the medicinal aspect. Medicinal aspect is the one part, but why it is important to nurture all those things? Why it is important to safeguard all those things? Because we are in a cycle. हम एक साइकिल में इस दुनिया में. और अगर हम किसी भी एलिमेंट्स के साथ छेड़छाड़ कर रहे हैं तो देयर विल बी अ डेफिनेट इफेक्ट एंड इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर सोसाइटी, आवर पीपल, जनरेशंस. तो यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट पॉइंट थ्रू. तो आपका जैसे ही आप ये पॉइंट्स बोलेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली दैट विल अट्रैक्ट द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ योर एग्जामिनर, और आपकी चीज को वो बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ाएंगे. तो ट्राई टू थिंग्स, मेक कनेक्शन. आप जितना ज्यादा उन्हें कनेक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ आप जैसे कंक्लूजन पे आएंगे ना, तो जो चीज मैंने आपको बताई, यू जस्ट स्पीक अबाउट दीज थिंग. आपका कंक्लूजन की स्लाइड पे जो लिखा है, इट्स विल बी ओके, नो इश्यू विद दैट, बट स्पीक अबाउट दोज थिंग दैट आई टोल्ड यू, दैट what will be the future impact, what are the causes that for which we have to go through this type of research, and what the social impact my research is can be in future, can maybe carried out, and how it can affect the government policy making. Okay, so these are your recommendation part for the future.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, rest your work is okay, your communication is also good, you can easily handle all the questions, I hope. But meanwhile, what I just focus on as per your branch and as per your subject area. That will be more important to be explain the things in a proper manner.
Yes, yes. Sir, have you seen the recommendations for the conservation of fauna?
Just please show.
Sir, protect natural habitats, strict anti-poaching laws, community participation, wildlife corridors, conservation policies, ex situ conservation awareness campaign, research and monitoring, regulate industrial activities, government community partnerships. So
Yeah,
these ones I have mentioned.
you have to be just speak in a simple form, your own sentence that may be on the display.
Yes.
So
yes.
as per the recommendation for the conservation of fauna, I want to put some particular points regarding the how we can protect the natural herbs, and as it is very important for safeguard for future. Now, for this, for particularly, we have to work on the anti-poaching laws, because, as you know, the poachers not only
Deploy wildlife crime.
develop wildlife, they are destroying the wildlife. But while because of that, lots of people can now access to the jungles.
Yes, yes.
Because
yes.
of the fear, the people were not able to come over there. But now, as because of the large scale poaching activities, there are very great display of wildlife, and the people are easy to access all those. And as a result of that, over harvesting or overuse of the things or removal of things will cause the lots of things. So, इस तरीके से you just can create like the wildlife corridors is good point. Conservation policies, okay, and what the things are going on, you can discuss all those things. आपको सिर्फ अपना simplified point यहाँ पे रखना है.
ठीक है sir.
Next.
Sir, future scope of the study, agricultural integration, whatever, and the rest what you have also said, sir. I will just tell those things only. I'll explain those things only. But I have written this.
Agriculture integration के अंदर आप बताइएगा that we have to bring some of the faunas which are particularly available in wild only. We can regenerate or create or produce them in a normal agricultural land.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Instead of taking agriculture to jungle, we can bring jungle
to the agriculture.
But we have to do the reverse thing. We have to bring medicinal plants or some other herbs from jungle to our
own garden.
On our cultivation part, not taking our cultivation or agriculture part to the jungle. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, you
sir.
have to say the as per the agriculture integration part. Awareness and education is okay. Nutrition analysis, that's okay. Then the scientific validation, the policy conservation, not all done. Okay, good. Next slide.
References, sir. These references I've
Okay,
mentioned.
Have you had your these are my public, this is your publication, you have to speak about it. I had published these papers.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
And these are the conferences.
Done. Okay, all the best, Animitra ji. I hope you will do good tomorrow is your viva, na?
So day after tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I'm leaving, sir.
Okay.
Things
All
are
the
just
best. Just do the changes that I suggest you. Just
Yes,
do that. That will be enough for your presentation.
Okay, sir.
All the very best. Thank you.
So have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye bye.